Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 8th subject science in that chapter number 2, Microorganisms, Friend and a Foe. In the previous video we have seen the question answers brief. Today we'll see explain giving scientific reasons, 2 marks each. Number 1, microorganisms are considered as a friend and enemies of human being. Answer is microorganisms are useful in many ways to human beings and other organisms. They are useful to make curd from milk, to prepare idli and dosha, to bring fermentation, to prepare antibiotics, vaccines, etc. Some microorganisms causes disease like malaria, cholera, tuberculosis, typhoid, polio in human. So, due to microorganisms' usefulness as well as harmfulness, they are considered as friends and enemies of human beings. Now see this question number 2. Bacteria are universal. See the answer. Bacteria are found on the soil, in water, in air and in bodies of organisms. Bacteria are present in snow-covered regions and desert also. There is no place on the earth where bacteria are absent, so bacteria are universal, means omnipresent. See the question number 3. Water should be boiled and then used during an epidemic. Answer is during an epidemic, microorganisms enter water reservoirs through the clothes, utensil, excreta, urine, vomit, etc. of a patient. Water in reservoirs get contaminated. Diseases are caused by drinking such water. On boiling water, the microorganisms in it are destroyed. So water should be boiled and then used during an epidemic. See the question number 4. Food should always be covered. See answer. Housefly act as a carrier of the disease, causing microbes and responsible to spread disease like cholera, typhoid, etc. So see, I have pictures on you the how the food can be covered. Food should be covered. Point 2. The flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta. Pathogens stick to their bodies. When these flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens. Whoever eats the contaminated food is likely to get sick. Question number 5. So for point 5. So for to keep the food safe from contamination, it should always be covered. See, answer the following questions in detail. 4 marks each. Question number 1. Write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganisms in our lives. Answer is the usefulness of microorganisms in our lives are as follows. Point 1. Lactobacillus bacteria convert milk into curd. Point 2. Unicellular fungi, it means yeast used to prepare cheese, paneer, bread, etc. Point 3. Yeast is used in production of industrial alcohol. Point 4. Yeast also used in the production of idli, dosha, khaman, etc. Point 5. A fungi known as mushroom used as a food. Point 6. Penicillin, antibiotic obtained from fungi penicillium. Point 7. Rhizobium bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and increase the soil fertility. Point 8. Certain bacteria are used to produce vaccine. Point 9. Certain bacteria and fungi play a role as decomposers and decompose organic substance. Point 10. Certain microbes are used in sewage treatments. See the question number 2. Write a short note. Common methods of food preservation. See answer. The common methods of food preservations are as follows. Number 1, chemical method. See the picture I have shown you. This is the pictures of food stored by using chemical method. See what is the chemical method. Sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite are common preservatives. These are the preservatives, sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite. Are the preservatives used in the jams and squashes to check their spoilage. Because of these two substances, the food cannot be spoiled. So they are added. Now see the preservation by salt. This is the pictures I have shown you, preservation by salt. See, salting is used to preserve amla, raw mangoes, tamarind, etc. Meat and fish are covered with the dry salt to check the growth of bacteria. Now see the question number 3, preservation by sugar. Normally we eat the amla preserved by sugar. See, picture I have shown you. Answer, jams, jellies and squashes are preserved by sugar. Sugar reduces the moisture content which inhibits the growth of bacteria which spoil food. Number 4, preservation by oil and vinegar. We store pickles by using oil and vinegar. So, in the preservation by oil and vinegar, see, use of oil and vinegar prevents spoilage of pickles. Because of that, oil and vinegar pickle cannot be spoiled because bacteria cannot live in such environment. Vegetables, fruit, fish and meat are often preserved by this method. Heat and cold treatment. Heat and cold treatment, in that best example is milk is boiled and then kept in refrigerator. Food is also kept in refrigerator. Low temperature inhibits the growth of microbes. See, this one is the cold treatment and this one is the heat treatment. Now we will see the storage and packing. See the pictures of storage and packing. Because of storage and packing, what happens? See, dry fruits and even vegetables are sealed in airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes. Because of airtight packets, microbes cannot attack directly. So they are prevent. Now we will see the definitions in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.